Hi children, are you excited?
Yeah.
This is your first mukbang. Okay, let's eat.
No.
How's the first mukbang goes?
It's not
Very
my first
tasty, very delicious.
Very tasty.
That's good.
I want to eat.
Okay, go eat.
What? I've been starving all day, okay?
So, what's your favorite meal, a Filipino meal? Do you know?
Fried hot dog.
Oh, write that down.
What?
Up in the top of the mall.
You're going to hate that. What's wrong? All my food goes here. Okay, I'm done with this, so I'm going to put it over here. Why are you not using your fingers? Ooh, a piece of meat. I'll put it on my side. What else? Are you fine using your hand side? Seriously. What mukbang looks like after the montage of eating.
What are you talking about?
Look at it. Take a look.
How's the mukbang?
5 stars.
So, are you guys really hungry? Look at our food. It's almost empty. I can't believe that.
5 stars.
Okay.
1 star.
Harris is done and this little girl still eating and me.